Hello everyone, welcome to TIFTOK channel. In this video I will teaching you how to make static IP address in MikroTik server by DHCP server in MikroTik. Okay, how we can do this? First we go to IP DHCP server and go to license. Here we show a table of device connection. Example, I will connection by my phone. It's my phone here. It's get IP. This IP, if I need make static IPs every time connection will my device will be take this IP, I will make by click here by right mouse and select make static IP. If I need change IPs to custom IPs, I will be click and change IP. Example here I need is this IP for my device. Dynamically the IP will be for other device will be removed. Now as show as IPs is changed but active IP is same old IP. So I need is reconnecting for Wi-Fi or network. If you connection by connect cable, you can disable and enable adapt network adapter or reboot the computer. Look here, phone will be get customs IPs. We need this way to make a local to make customs IPs for office and make static IP for many device without any date in client device, only in the DHCP server. Please, if you like this video, please don't forget subscribe in my channel. Have a nice day.